Hi, I'm Prisha and I'm 8 years old. Today the date is Friday, April 10, 2020. Happy Friday. Out of 10, you can make a fish. So today, one of my favorite characters in this series is, actually two of my favorite characters is Piggy and the pigeon. And today I'm going to teach you how to draw Piggy. So, you're going to draw. Sorry, I'm going to teach you how to draw Piggy. So you do a circle. Then you do another circle. And one of my favorite numbers is 11, so we're going to draw that inside this circle. Like that. So one circle, then two circles, and the number 11. After that, I'm going to do another 11, but this time we're going to swoosh them and make them into circles like this. And we can take the letter M and we're going to break it apart into two for the piggy's ears. And we can do a little smile. Like. So now for her body, we're going to do a little rectangle like that. And we're going to take the letter M and stretch it out like this 2 times. Oh, yeah. So just take the letter M. You're going to draw the letter M, but stretch it out a little. And the same thing for her legs. And a little tail. So that's a drawing of Piggy. It looks kind of like her. I'm going to color it pink. You can do your own colors, but I'm doing pink. Yes, so and I'm going to name. So now I'm going to teach you how to draw my other favorite character called the pigeon. And if you know, one day maybe, if you've read the Elephant Piggie series, this one is called I Love My New Toy. So at the beginning of Elephant and Piggie books, like this one says, I love my new toy. So then they do Piggy's new toy. But all of them are toys. But if you go to the back, when you finish the book, you can see that they draw a little pigeon right there. They hide a pigeon for you to find. This book is by Willems. He's a good and funny author. He's actually one of my favorite authors, like fiction book authors. So yeah, so this is a pigeon that we're gonna learn to draw. He's pretty funny. There's even the pigeon books, like The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog or Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late. Those are also by Willems. So for the pigeon, you would draw a letter O. And then you draw one more letter O and color it in like that. And now you're going to make the letter M. And we're not going to stretch it out this time, just a letter M. for the beak. Then you're going to do 2 lines down. Now this part's a little tricky. So you're going to do a little circle. And then kind of like triangle. And then you're going to do 2 lines down. And make the letter W. And you can make it swing. Yeah, so that's how you draw the pigeon. And then you can just color it however you want. This part stays white and you can color it all green. And you can write your name. So, yeah. Bye. I hope you had fun.